everyone, Eileen Veilleux, the fam here. Welcome to another tutorial on how to do your YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we are going to cover how to put descriptive sentences on your playlist and how to put the links up here in your banner like mine. Okay, so saying that, let's get started with how to do this tutorial. The first thing you're going to need to do your links is you're going to need to click where it says Customize Channel. When you click on that, we're going to bring this to the second image so you can see what we need to do. Okay. When you hit the Customize Channel, you're going to go to the About section of your, over there. You're not going to hit your videos, playlists, communities, channels, or anything. You're just going to click on the About section because that's the part that you need. Okay? And then after we click the About section, let's see, we'll go to the next one here. Okay, as you can see, I have it highlighted because that's what I clicked on. We already covered this part of it, but this, you're going to go down here to where you see the pencil highlighted in the area gray. This is where you're going to put your links that's going to be up on your banner. So what you put down here, you don't need here because once you put them up, they will be up in your banner. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So just a moment while we go to the next shot here. As you see here, this was a highlighted area. Okay, you're going to put your name or whatever you have, but always make sure, like the first one's my Twitter account. This is my Twitter name. Make sure you put the HTTPS // in the whole address. If you do not, it will not show up properly. You will have a box on your banner instead of the link for people to click on. And you do the same thing for your merch if you have merch. Any other of your PayPal, your Facebook, whatever social media you have. And that's how you do the links. It's real easy. You just have to remember to put in the HTTPS with the // and it will show up on your banner the proper way. Now, after you do that, we're going to show you how to put your email. So, like if you're doing reviews, you're going to want an email so people can reach out to you on different things. You see, there's the pencil for that. Because you need to have the pencil. That's why that's highlighted for that one. And now we're going to go to the next one. Just a moment. Yeah. There we go. We're going to click that off. And this is where you will put your email. When you're done, you just click the done and boom, your email's there for everybody. That's simple. It's not really hard to do, guys. It's real easy. But that's how you get your links up on your banner and how you do your email. Okay, now the next thing I want to go on is how to have your descriptive sentences for your playlist, okay? And I'm going to show you how to do that. On that one, you're going to click here to where it says YouTube Studio Beta. That's the one you're going to need to click on. And I'll show you what's going to come next. When you click on that, you're going to come on the left-hand side and bring it to where it says other properties. Let me move me up so you can see where it says other features. I have that highlighted, and then you're going to click on the playlist. Okay? Now once you click on that, this is what's going to happen. Now let me move me down again. Okay? Here is your different playlists. You see I have my 8 right here. And on your playlist, you're not going to click on where it says edit video. You're going